Is Kishane Thompson the next big thing in sprinting, or is he just a brief flash of brilliance?
Play coming up now. A good start from Kishane Thompson. Walaza, the South African, almost equal to Thompson at about the 50-meter stage, but Thompson pouring away, and Oblique Seville right there with them. And Liot Letla of South Africa would have been finishing strong as well. Look at this. Good start again from Walaza. His arm action, very unique. Can't miss him. At this point, Seville way back. But Kishane Thompson, very comfortable. Becomes upright at this point and motors across the line for a sub-10.
Greetings, brothers and sisters, fathers and mothers, boys and girls. Welcome to this channel once again. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe, like, share, and comment. To my channel subscribers, thank you for always taking your time to watch my videos. When a relatively unknown Jamaican sprinter almost pulled off one of the biggest surprises in the Olympic history, this changed everything. This is what exactly happened in the year 2024 for our brother from Jamaica, Kishane Thompson. And he pulled this exact thing when he got a photo finish in the men final 100 meters dash. Picture this, the Paris Olympics 100 meters men final, and this underdog sprinter is right there with Noah Lyles, who is considered the fastest man in the world. Thompson didn't take gold, but his silver medal was like a spark that set his world on fire. He said the silver was a big stepping stone for him, pushing him to become both a better person and athlete. Suddenly, track fans around the world knew his name, but Thompson wasn't satisfied with just the silver. He had bigger goals for 2025. After the Olympics, he didn't just relax and enjoy his newfound fame. Instead, he looked to get better. Right after winning silver, he admitted his mistakes and vowed to work harder. And he did just that. He kicked off 2025 with a bang, making his Indo debut at the Astana Indo Meet and showing that he was hungry for more success. Back in Jamaica, he posted an impressive 6.48 seconds in the 60-meter race, just 0.06 seconds off the Jamaican national record. Kishane Thompson was on fire, and it looked like he was ready to dominate the 2025 season. But as in all sports, things can really change quickly. When you think you are in the top, another person comes up posting good results, or better times than you. This year, Kishane Thompson started the 2025 outdoor season with a solid second place finish at the Shagai Diamond League with a 9.99 in the 100 meters men dash. But after some struggles at the World Relays, people began wondering if his Olympic silver was just a fluke. Imagine they went for the World Relays and Kishane Thompson didn't manage to run because Julian Fort got an injury and he was to hand the baton to Blake, and then Blake to hand over to Kishane Thompson. Most of the videos that were circulating online, Kishane Thompson was seen practicing with Johan Blake handing the baton. But when it came to the real thing, running on the track, actually Kishane Thompson didn't participate. It didn't go down with most of the Jamaicans. But it is said that great athletes don't stay down for long. Just the other day, he made an incredible comeback at the Racers Grand Prix in Jamaica, facing tough competition from the defending champ Oblique Seville, one of his rivals right from high school, even though they are in the same Jamaican team. And also there were other stars such as our brother from Africa, Bayanda Walaza. But Thompson came through with a stunning 9.88 second run, marking his season's best. He's now the fourth fastest sprinter globally in this year, 2025, and the doubting Thomases have been silenced. After that incredible performance, one of the American former runners known as Noah Williams, an American 400-meter runner, said that Thompson is in medal and championship contention. He could easily be a top 5 finisher. Thompson has just shown that his silver at the Paris Olympics wasn't a fluke, and he is gunning for a bigger moment come September 2025 for the World Championships. But of course, there are still challenges ahead, particularly the 2025 July trials, which could have a big impact. So here comes the big question. Is Kishane Thompson the next big thing in sprinting, or is he just a brief flash of brilliance? Despite the intense pressure after his Olympic near miss, Thompson remains focused. The 23-year-old isn't dwelling on what he almost achieved in Paris. It's in the past, I can't look back, he says. That Olympic silver could have defined many sprinters, but Thompson sees it as just another milestone in his career. He is already thinking ahead to the World Championships in Tokyo, where he hopes to make his mark. Remember, his world-leading 9.77 at the Jamaican Championships in the year 2024 proves that he belongs at the top. But Thompson's approach is refreshingly different. He doesn't obsess over perfection. Training under coach Stephen Francis at Kingston's MVP track club, Thompson has included indoor racing in his schedule to improve his early season form, but is not chasing perfect times with races without mistakes. He explains that if things are always perfect, there's no room to improve. This attitude shows maturity beyond his years. But his biggest challenge has always been staying healthy. Injuries including shin splints and hamstring issues have often set him back. After his Olympic breakthrough, he had to pull out of the Celestia Diamond League due to hamstring issue. This pattern continued in 2025 when he had to skip the World Indoor Championships due to recurring shin problems. However, he's fully fit. Thompson is unstoppable. His recent second-place finish in Shanghai with a sub-10 time of 9.99 seconds behind Akani Simbine from South Africa proves that he's capable of competing at the highest level. Thompson is not one of the most outgoing guy, though he is naturally reserved and admits he's not comfortable with the media appearances. I'm not really an outgoing guy. I'm very reserved, he says, showing that he's more focused on racing than fame. The reality is that injuries are the only thing that could stop Thompson from reaching his full potential. His talent is clear when he is healthy. He has proven he can race with the world's best. As he looks ahead to Tokyo, his focus is on progress rather than perfection. If his body holds up, we could be seeing a lot more of Kishane Thompson on the world stage. What do you think? Will Kishane Thompson continue to rise and become one of the top sprinters, or will he be remembered as a brief sensation? Cheers guys, thank you so much for staying tuned to this channel, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly do me a favor by subscribing, liking this video, commenting down below this video, and to my channel subscribers, always thank you for supporting me. Keep on supporting our African brothers and sisters. Until next time, God bless.